Do you have a Bookshare account? Would you like to listen to your books from Bookshare? If so, TextAid is here to help. After logging into TextAid, begin by clicking on the Library tool from the left-hand menu of TextAid. Click on the Bookshare tab. Log into your Bookshare account. You can search by title, author, ISBN, or by all of this information together. If you have the ISBN number, then searching by it will be the quickest way to find the exact book. If you only remember the author's name or you want to read another book by the same author, then search by author. If you only have a title, then you can search by title. Let's look at an example. Perhaps your history instructor wants you to read the book Common Sense by Thomas Paine, which has an ISBN of 9781598531794. Let's search for it by each of the methods before we download the book. First, searching by title, which is Common Sense. We select title, enter the title, and click search. We see hundreds of returns. Let's see if we can narrow the list by searching for the author. Enter the author's name, Thomas Paine. Select author, and click search. This gives us a smaller group of books to look through, but it is still a long list. Let's try searching by the ISBN number. Enter the number 9781598531794. Select ISBN, and click search. We find the single entry which is the book we want. We can enter Common Sense, Thomas Paine, 9781598531794. Select all, and click search. We see our search returns the book we want as a single entry. In this case, our book is an EPUB. Let's download the book by clicking on the download arrow. Select the correct document language and decide the folder location where you want to save the book. Click Save. Click on Open Document. At this point your book is in your TextAid library. You can listen to it, or can read along as it is read aloud. Use tools like a page mask, or reading ruler. Or read it in text mode where you adjust your font size, and text and background colors to your choice. Adjust your screen size so reading is easier on a smaller device. You can also highlight important information and collect the highlights and borders. All in all, you now have many tools at your fingertips to help you engage with your book.